London City Airport has put together a great event here. I've got several hundred Year 10 local students, very keen, very bright, and they're looking today at the challenge of decarbonising aviation. Today, the young people are going to have the chance to talk to some of the manufacturers working on these challenges, looking and speaking to others dealing with them as well, and also preparing them for some fantastic careers in the years ahead.
I'm here to support this great initiative by City Airport, STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths in Aviation. My message to the young people attending today is inspire us, challenge lots of the thinking, and your thinking is so important to us, the present generation, because you are the future.
I would 100% recommend STEM events to my friends, because I feel like me as a person, I didn't really know much coming to this event. I've learned so much that I didn't know. So yeah, I would really recommend it.
I really recommend this to my friends because it incorporates everyone and it gives you an idea about the world outside of school.
We did the hands-on activity and it got the students really excited and energised, and then I got to explain to them how that related to decarbonising aviation and the new technologies we're developing, and I could sort of see them understand what I was talking about. So it was, yeah, really fun to see that light bulb moment in their faces.
My one takeaway for the students here today would be to recognise all the opportunities that aviation can bring. It's a hugely important sector for the UK, for connecting people and businesses and families. There are so many really exciting opportunities for young people today to get involved in, give them a good career and a good life ahead.
Zero emission flying is possible. And not only is it possible, but there are huge opportunities for them to be part of delivering that future. So I would urge them to learn from the partners, come up with ideas, and actually to orientate their careers towards aviation in the future, and to be part of transforming the industry and connecting the world, but connecting the world through green connectivity.